Hello students, lesson number 15, sound. How is sound produced? Now I am speaking with you, yes? And you can hear me, you can hear my voice, you can identify my voice, okay? And this is because the sound is produced in my throat. How it is produced? That study we are going to do in our what? This lesson, that is the lesson number 15, that is sound. Yes. So first of all, for that I will just give you an example that sitar and guitar you know. Otherwise just simply take one rubber band near to your ear and just hold it in your two fingers. Suppose this is your hand and this is your thumb and this is the first finger and these are your fingers. Okay, so hold that rubber band in between these two fingers and just pluck it. You will notice that the it vibrates at that place, and that vibration is there. Because of that vibration, sound is produced. Understood what I said? That what, when we vibrate, the vibration creates the produce the sound. So here it is one instrument that we are using the frequency of the sound, and that instrument is called as a fork, tuning fork. Not only fork, tuning fork. For this tuning fork, here two prongs means two U-shaped structure is there, and that U-shaped structure is there. It is attached to the stem. It is attached to the stem. So production of sound, and that instrument we are using for the production of sound. Now production of sound, we have learned that sound can be generated from vibrating object. When the objects start vibrating, the sound is produced. With an example of tuning fork, we will now learn about how a sound is produced due to such vibrations. Due to such vibrations, a photograph of tuning fork is shown in the figure 15.1. Now to understand that how the sound is produced, all of you just put your hand, that fingers, on your throat and try to speak something. Just now speak anything. Hold your hand on your throat. Yes? Now speak something, mother, anything, any word you can speak. You will notice that your fingers which are you kept on your throat, it feels some vibration. It feels some vibration. You have to do this experiment. Whenever I am telling to you, you have to do this. You will understand it. Then you will notice that from your throat something is vibrating, and that vibration is responsible for the production of the sound. Okay. Now tuning fork is made. Understood how sound is produced? That activity all of you do know? If not, you do it first. Put your fingers on your throat and say something and feel what is happening, how your fingers are feeling, what that is vibrations. The tuning fork is made up of two prongs. These parts are called as a prongs. These two are there. These are called as a prongs. And a stem. Keeping the stem steady. Stem we have to keep steady. If the prongs are struck, they start vibrating. If these prongs are there, here if we hammer, or if we just hammer only on this rubber, if it is there, then you will notice that these are vibrating on their places. These are vibrating on their places. Okay, and this is because of that vibration, what happens, a kind of a sound produces. Then keeping the stem steady, its prongs are struck, they start vibrating. Figure 15.2 shows the stationary tuning fork. 15.2a shows the stationary tuning fork. Here it is a tuning fork and it is stationary. There is no vibration. Now we are going to study how the sound is produced. The vertical lines are used, means air which is here, it is what? Same everywhere. Now what happens? This is the question 15.2a. Here the stationary tuning fork is there and the air around is. You know that the sound requires a medium for the for its for medium necessary for the production of the sound, and that's why what happens here, the air is the medium and that lines are straight. Now the next step is that now here in this position inside, the vertical lines are used. These lines are equally placed. If you see, you will notice that here in between these lines, the equal distance is present in between the two lines. Okay. Now here, if vertical line, here the vertical lines are equally spaced, it indicates that the average distance between air molecule is the same everywhere. When the sound was not produced, at that time the lines are same distance, same everywhere, and the average air pressure in their A, B, C is also the same. So air pressure at the place of A, B and C is same. If the stem is kept constant, this is the stem, we kept it constant, and we kept constant, and prongs are struck. If we struck the prongs, okay, if we hit it on any surface, then what happens, these are the prongs are there, they are start vibrating, means they are changing their place at that place only. So once they, what happens, open, and when the at one place it close, like it, in that way the structure you can see. Now here, if we see step by step the result of the motion, if you see here, if we hit it, then what happens, the set vibration, it means that this struck are set into the periodic motion in forward and the backward direction, and we will see the step by step result of such a motion. Now if you see here, what happens actually, once you struck it, it came, this prongs, two prongs are there, that comes outside, and due to this position, the air which is near to these prongs where the sound was produced, it comes closer. So set A, if you see, the lines are close, means the distance between these lines are very less. Okay. Now at once it goes outside, how the spring, when we move it, then what happens, it start moving. Okay. So otherwise you are playing on that one round is there on it, if you are jumping round, it is there, no, that inside it, if what happens, once it goes down, come up, one go down and come up, that position is happen here also, the same condition, only the prongs are going outside and once it comes inside. Now after this condition, the prongs are coming inside, and due to this what happens, the set A's pressure is applied on set B, and the lines at the place of B, it get compressed, and it was here relaxed. Then again it moves forward, and in this way the sound that produced it, what happens, reach to us till our ear. Okay, till our ear. And whenever, instead of this, whenever I am speaking now, the air which is in front of my mouth, what happens, it compresses, relax, rarefaction and compression is takes place, and the sound is vibrating or passing from one place to the another, and this is happening because of the air pressure. Now let us see what is given in our text. If the stem is kept constant, steady, the prongs are struck, the prongs are set into vibration. It means that they are set into periodic motion in forward and backward direction. We will see the step by step in the result of such a direction. If during vibration the prongs of the tuning fork go away from each other, they go away from each other, as shown in the figure 15.2b. The air outside the prongs is compressed. Now here it is the air outside the prongs, it compressed, and the pressure there increases. Now pressure from this place, what happens, it was increased. Such a state of high pressure is created in the region A. Here high pressure is there and the compression is there. Now what happens, created at the region A in the figure? The region in which air is at high pressure, the region in which air is at high pressure and high density is called as a compression. After compression, the next step is the prongs force come close to each other. Here if you see, they come close to each other. Now this is come close to each other as shown in the figure 15.2c. In this case, air molecules near the prong. Now air molecule near the prongs, here it is there. The prongs came inside. So air from this place, what happens? It becomes there is a rarefaction. Now get more space. Now they got the more space and to move away from each other, and if they move from each other. That air from here, it move from each other, and here, see here, as air pressure in the region A decreases. Now air pressure, what happens? It was decreased in such a region in the air is low pressure. Now here it is low pressure, and what happens? The low density and this pressure, this is called as a rarefaction. So this is called compression and this is called rarefaction. Here this is called compression and this is rarefaction. In this way, what happens? This takes place. However, the air molecule in the region which were compressed state earlier. Now, earlier it was compressed state, means where here, if you see here in this space, here it is better. It is compressed state. Earlier, transfer their energy to the air molecules in the next region. They transfer their energy to the next region. Means this A part is there. It transfers its energy to the B part. So B part get compressed and A part get rarefaction to the next region. The air in that region goes on compressed state in the figure 12.c, and what happens? 12.c. Next, so their air in that region got compressed state or region, and such a periodic motion of the prongs created by compression and rarefaction in the air, and these are propagated away from the prongs, means it is moving from away from the prong. Now next step, what will be there? B will relax and C will compress. Next, if C get relaxed, it passes its energy to the D part will compress and C part will relax. In this way, this is a periodic. And then what happens? In this way, the sound propagation means what happens? The sound is moving from one place to the another place, and this is called as a propagation of the sound. Now, such a periodic motion of prongs created by compression and rarefaction in the air, and these are propagated away from the prongs. These are nothing but the sound waves, and these when these waves reach our ear or our eardrum, it vibrates according to the specific signals reach to the brain, and we get sense of hearing sound. Here ear structure is also given, I think. Here it is sound produced. Here at that vocal cords are there, and here it vibration produced and the sound is produced, and ear structure is not given here, I think. And that ear structure is, if I will show, the sound drum is there, and due to this sound drum, what happens? We can hear the sound, and these vibrations are there created by this sound. What happens? It reaches to our ear and we can hear the other sides. And same thing is happening with whenever we are speaking. I told you before only, whenever I speak something or you speak something, whatever. Suppose here one person is there and he is singing song, otherwise he is saying something. So here it is the person, or suppose she is a singer, and he is singing song. So when she speak, the sound is produced. Now sound produced means what happens here? Before speaking, the sound is what happens? All the rays are parallel to each other. But when she starts singing, at that time, what happens? Here in the regions are there. Here compression is produced. Here rarefaction is there. So, and that this part transfer its energy to this B part. This is A part, suppose this is B part. It transfers its energy to the B part. Then A part is relaxed and B part compression, we can say. Here rarefaction. In this way, compression, rarefaction. In that way, what happens? The sound is propagated from one place to the another place. that suppose one person means we are singing here, we are listening to her, we can hear her sound to our ear, and our eardrum is there, it vibrates, and that voice what happens sending to our brain, and then we can hearing that we are understanding someone is speaking. Suppose I am standing behind you and I am calling to you, then also you can notice me notice that you are listening, means I am calling to you, and this is because of the propagation of the sound due to the vibration. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. The next part of the lesson we are going to see in our next lecture. So today we will stop here only. Okay, so today you are going to learn this, and the Planck's figure is there and compression rarefactions figure is there, that you have to draw in your notebook. Okay, and read this part of the lesson. So today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Okay, bye.